This is Code.org, and I'm currently working on the Accelerated Intro to CS course. I'm on the lesson The Maze. Let's see what we got. Guide me to the green evilness. Watch out for the TNT. Okay, so I think this is the green evilness. Okay, and TNT is not good. Let's hit run and see what our code does. Okay, so we didn't quite get there. And it's always okay to hit run a bunch and just test things out, okay? So I think I'm going to need to turn left. I'm going to drag one block, drop it right there, and then test it. And I sometimes test after each block or each line of code I write, just to make sure I don't have to debug a lot of code later on, just like I'm doing now. And code always will run in order. Okay, so I think we're going to move right now and forward. Let's give that a shot. Ta-da! Awesome. Let's keep going.